I've always been a hands-on person. I grew up west of Calgary in the woods, always did a lot of fixing things and tinkering with things. I also loved physics as a high school student. Physics was a natural fit for me. Kind of get to still do hands-on stuff, work in the lab, touch things, but also get to do science. My research is focused on photonics, nanophotonics, and integrating different materials with a photonic platform. And I was drawn to this as I really like the idea of shrinking dinner table-sized optical systems with free space optics to a chip that can fit on the tip of your finger, and the impact and application of what you can do with those kind of systems in the day-to-day. What I'm focused on is connecting these things to the outside world in a scalable way. The Mitacs Accelerate program allowed me to really focus on commercializing my research and also gave me the resources required. Winning this award provides reassurance that I'm on the right path and that the work we're doing will have an impact. I'd like to thank my mentors at UBC, Lucas Krastowski, Zadeep Shekhar, and Jeff Young, and also Paul Barkley at the University of Calgary, and my partner, Emily, and family. My goal is really to help retain talent in Canada by growing the photonics industry here and demonstrating that we can really punch above our weight and bring a lot of value to developing state-of-the-art technologies